Yeah.
Toast it.
Yep. Of course. Spicy.
It's spicy.
A little bit.
I don't think. God.
Try one.
Hmm?
Try one.
Yeah. 'Cause I know what they're like.
Have you ever tried one?
I've tasted yours. You gave me some. I've tasted them before.
A
You say, here,
jalapeno?
yeah. You say, here, try this. It's not hot. But you did give me the peppers, the bigger ones, that I thought they were hot, and they weren't too bad. Those weren't, I don't think they were hot at all. They were like there, but they were shaped different. I mean, they were big and wrinkly, like, they were a little different. But I said, no, they gotta be hot. And he said, I'll try it. You were right, they weren't at all.
This is good.
Let's see if he's texted me.
Spicy.
On this shit, I've tasted this at King's.
You can't
what was
cuss
it,
them.
King's Buffet.
I'm recording a video.
Hilarious to use it. What's that?
I'm recording a video.
Oh,
You can't
I'm
cuss.
sorry. Okay. I'm still talking. You're recording me? Oh, no, I can't be on there. I didn't know.
You are though.